Meaning of figure skating.
Figure skating.
Figure skating.
Figure skating.
Figure skating. Figure skating is a sport that involves individuals or pairs performing various jumps, spins, and other moves on ice skates while following specific patterns. It is both an art and a physical challenge that requires a combination of athleticism, grace, and precision. Competitions are judged based on the difficulty and execution of the performed elements, as well as overall presentation. Figure skating has been a part of the Winter Olympics since the first Games in 1924 and remains one of the most popular events.